guys, back today with another lens review, and I swear I'm not being sponsored by Sigma, but here I am with another Sigma lens review. This one, the Sigma 18-50 f2.8 DCDN contemporary lens, may just be the one to beat. But let us not get ahead of ourselves. First off, if you're new here, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications when new videos become available. With that out of the way, on with the review. Every camera system needs a good general purpose lens, the all-rounder, the walk-around lens. On full frame, this is usually a 24 to 70 millimeter lens. On aps-c, it's generally a 16 to 55 approximate range. On the Sony E-mount system, there are a few options already in this range. First, the Sony 16 to 55 f2.8G lens. It's an awesome option with a 24 to 82.5 equivalent focal length. It's well built and has great optics, but it's $1,299. Another option, the Tamron 17 to 70 f2.8 Di3-A VC RXD lens, offers a 25 to 105 equivalent view, vibration reduction, or VC as they call it, and a constant f2.8 aperture at an easier to digest $899. Still, this lens is a bit longer and heavier than what many would like to walk around with. Enter option number 3, the Sigma 18-50 f2.8 with a focal length of 27mm to 75mm full frame equivalent. It covers the bases on most needed focal lengths. It features constant f2.8 aperture, great optics, and a small and light design, perfect for the Sony aps-c cameras. Its build is a bit lighter than the other Sigma contemporary lenses. It's a mix of metal and plastic, mostly metal though. Feels great in the hand. And it pairs well with the Sony a6000 body and creates a well-balanced unit. Here's a rundown of the specs. It features a maximum aperture of f2.8 and a minimum aperture of f22. The optical design consists of 13 elements in 10 groups, and it features 7 rounded diaphragm blades. It uses a 55mm filter thread and weighs in at 10.2 ounces or 290 grams. The minimum focus distance is a tiny 4.8 inches or 12.1 centimeters. This isn't quite a macro lens, but you can get extremely close to your subject, which gives this lens a whole other dimension in usability. It comes with a pinch lens cap and a plastic metal lens hood. The lens design itself is Spartan. No aperture ring, no manual focus switch, just a zoom ring and a focus ring with markings for the focal length. All you need, really. And yes, this lens is made in Japan. The best part is the price, $549. Now let's put this lens through its paces and see if it's as good optically as it is on paper. The Sigma 18-50 isn't perfect, but it ticks so many boxes. Above average optics, light and compact design that mates well with the Sony a6000 series cameras, fast constant f2.8 aperture, and an affordable price. It's so good that if you were buying into the Sony aps-c line and you can have only one lens, this is the lens I'd recommend. It's like the kit lens that Sony should have made and included with the camera in the first place. Sure, the Tamron 17-70 f2.8 offers vibration control and a longer focal length, and if having a lens that covers the wide to tele angles is worth the extra weight and bulk, and $250 isn't that big a deal to you, that may be the lens for you. And the Sony 16-55 f2.8 offers 7mm more range, 2mm on the wide and 5mm on the tele end, but it's bigger, heavier, and 2.3 times the cost of the Sigma 18-50. So the Sigma 18-50 gets my highest recommendations if you're looking for a good all-rounder for Sony aps-c or Leica L-mount. But that's just what I think. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.